going on, guys? EXO coming at you with another set of Q&A. But first I want to address my man Lorenzo over there from the Netherlands. He's really been up my case for giving him a shout out, so here you go, my man. Everybody go check out Lorenzo's stuff. He's a real bass head over there from the Netherlands. And he's coming in with a good question here about how do you wire 2 amps with 2 woofers and you only have, one output, like a receiver or whatever. Well, it's really simple, but the thing is, the big thing is I don't want you to go out and spend $19.99 on something that's supposed to be $4.99. So if you have a place that's a Walmart over there, like in the Netherlands, something that's like a store that sells everything, they say can sell it at Radio Shack, well, that's great. Go to Radio Shack. You have to know what that is. So, it's like $4.99 for a Y-splitter. Male on one, 2 females on the other. So you can actually plug 2 sets of RCA cables to 2 amps in the back, or wherever you have them. So that'll solve all the problems, dude. Then you can run each of your woofers on each amp, if you'd like to do that. That's all you gotta do, man. So there you go, brother. Here we are with Cabrice Bass 12. He's got a question about this weird noise that's coming from his sub, and I'll actually quote him. I hope you don't mind if I do this, but he says they're not that old, about 3 to 4 weeks, dual voice coil, and there's a knocking noise, the coil came loose or unwound, but it took the box and tested both coils, and it worked. And the noise is there, blah, blah, blah. Sorry, I blah'd you. That's not what I meant by that. I'm sorry. It's just like, and yeah, actually, man, there was this really, did you check the, tinsel lead? Did you see if the tinsel leads one of them might be bouncing? Because your subwoofer will still work on one coil, but one of the little tinsel leads might be bouncing off, and it might be hitting up against a plastic cone. That might be a possibility. Or did you check? Sometimes there's vents on the subs, or even underneath it. If you can take a look in there and see if there's any copper that has unwound, that might be a possibility. Unwound copper. You're getting a little bit of coil rub. There's 2 possibilities for you, dude. So that, and another thing could be actually your cone itself. Is there a hole in it? Where check all around it, because usually if there's a little, the tiniest of holes around the surround towards the harder parts of your cone, matching up to your surround, it'll make a weird noise that almost sounds like a vibrating, high-pitched noise, like a vibration, not like an air leak. So sometimes that can be mistaken for something else. You might want to check that too. Those are the 3 things that I would say check right away. And if it's not that, man, I'm sorry, man. That's all I got for you. And now we got Ramacorn, Treras. I don't want to even try to say that word. So he says he's got a question. What do you think is better, 2 15-inch kicker CVRs or 1 L715? I think this is a great question. 2 15-inch kicker CVRs against 1 L715. You know what? I'd like to say that in the correct box, that 2 kicker... No. I'm going to say that the 1 kicker L7 in the right box, in the perfect box, would sound louder than the 2 kicker CVR 15s. But in the prefab boxes, I believe that 2 kicker CVRs could sound equivalent, if not even better, than some normal, average, everyday person's 1 single L7. So there's like a little iffiness on both sides. So you know what I'm saying? But in the right box, that's a good argument. What do you guys think about that?